Okay guys, it's day 2 of social media week and I told you guys I was going to bring you updates. So I'm here with Nubi K.
Yeah, hi guys. My name is Nubi K. Work at Stripe. That's a fintech company based in Dublin, Ireland. I am based in Dublin, Ireland, but it's a company global. I'm currently at Social Media Week. We're having that like video bombing us. I'm currently at Social Media Week managing the Launch in Africa track. That's a new track I will introduce this year, focused on like showcasing startups that were launched here in Africa, 2 years or younger. And
so that means I'm going to qualify next year.
Oh yeah. So it's been good so far. I've been talking to interesting startups, and yeah, so far so good. On Friday we're gonna have like the last day for innovation on the innovation stage pitching and all. So yeah, come down and watch that. So
all right. So
but always good to see Lavi. Like
it's my boss. And then we met yesterday briefly for just about a minute, and then he gave me an idea that lasts me for like a year or two or forever.
Inspiration.
Yeah. So Nubi is here. He has a word or two for SMEs in Nigeria and non-profit organizations, because of course that's what my YouTube channel is all about. So Nubi, what do you have to say to?
Okay, first let me show you my real face.
Okay, this is your real face.
So
this is mine.
But yeah, just for SMEs, just a few tips that at least worked for me when I was building a business in Nigeria and social media. One thing like people actually do not pay attention is at least social media listening, and I actually just like listening to what people actually saying on social media that is linked or not like or related to your business. So just using keywords to search on Twitter. So for example, if you run a food business, just searching for the words like hungry, Lagos, where is the nearest restaurant, things like that. It's a very good way to actually like listen to what people are saying and then engage them. So rather just like post and hope that somebody sees it. Why not like look for those people that might be interested in what you have to offer. So like on Twitter you can set keywords, on Google Alert you can set Google Alert keyword and things like that. Now they just like ping you when people actually use certain words. So with Hootsuite, with Twitter you can set this column and search for like keywords like food, hungry, Lagos, where, and things like that. And you never know, like you might just be the next customer there. But yeah, that's one thing. Another tip I would say is have an editorial calendar. And what that is just allows you to plan for your week. So rather than you wake up in the morning and say, what do I post today? It's just good to like have a calendar plan for a week, for a month, saying okay, Monday I'm posting about this, I'm giving an advice. Tuesday I'm posting like a review. Wednesday I'm doing like a testimonial thing. And just have something planned so that you're not like just like out of content or making up content that might not really resonate with your audience. So have a calendar that helps you plan. So those two things, again, social listening and an editorial calendar.
So you heard it from Nubi K. I mean, social listening is very important. I heard about it last year when I was at I was doing a course on human-centered design. A lot of people don't listen. They're just waiting for the next person to talk. So as entrepreneurs, as SMEs, as non-profit organizations, you might be thinking that you're not making money, but you need to listen. Your audience are out there, your fundraisers, your donors are out there, and then they need to know that you're listening, and then you know where to get them.
Exactly.
Thank you, Kay. I mean, this is good. The next time I'm going to be talking to you, maybe I'm going to be in Dublin.
Yeah, always happy to host you.
Yes, so thank you so much, and I hope that we enjoy the rest of the week.
And don't forget to subscribe.
Yeah,
the subscribe button.
Thank you. So subscribe.
I'm always ready to do that.
Thank you.
Bye guys.
Bye.